green goo coming out of your sockets and switches. It's not so spooky. It is a potential electrical risk. In the 60s and 70s, the insulation around cables was of a slightly different type. Over the years, people plug in their equipment and this pulls a lot of current through the cables. So where are we going to find green goo? Green goo could be coming out of some of these pins down here. We've also found it at times where the green goo is pouring out the bottom of the socket onto the wallpaper. If you've got that instance, don't panic, but just give us a call. We can get one of our electricians in to carry out some tests and check the safety of your wiring. We're NICEIC approved electrical contractors. We know our stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.